Hello everyone! Today I would like to introduce our new product. This is an electric gummy mixer. You can use this product to DIY multiple shapes of lovely gummies at home. It is very easy. We will offer you this well-designed color box. It is neutral color box. But of course, you can customize your own design for this box. Make it to a gift box for your own package. We have prepared all kinds of accessories that comes with these products. So let's open it and see what it looks like. Okay, let's open the box. This is a manual book. And there are several gummy mixer trays. You can see this is the first mold. And a gummy bear mold, and with 2 droppers. And 1 spatula tools for stirring. And finally, the machines. And its base. This is all we have for this product. This product has 2 functions. The first function is to make lovely gummies. You can just add very simple ingredients, natural ingredients into it. For example, you just need to add the sugar and gelatin powder and water or juice. After you add all the ingredients inside the machines, choose the first function and it will automatically mix and blend all the ingredients together to make a mixture. And then you use this dropper to transfer the mixture into the gummy molds. Then you will get these cutie, lovely gummies. No additions, only natural ingredients, very easy to use. If you want to make infused gummies, you can just add the infused oil into the machines after the first functions, and then choose the second functions to let it work for 3 minutes, and you will get the perfect infused gummies. Let's open the cover lid to see the inner structure. The inner uses the non-stick coating, which makes it more easy to clean. And let's take out the whisk. You see there is 2 layers whisk. And this product uses a very powerful motor matched with this whisk to make stirring more evenly. And there is a LED light to show you the working state. Now we have 3 colors for this product: white, green, and black color. But we can customize other colors for you if you want some brown, red, or any other options. Please just feel free to let us know. And you can customize some colorful patterns to print on the machine's bottom like this. This gummy mixer is a very funny, safe, and easy to use product. You can use this product to make different shades of gummies and with different flavor of what you need with your families, your kids, your friends at home. And also you can use it to DIY more recipes. For example, some puddings, jellies, it is all available. We are very welcome you to inquire these products, and please feel free to let us know your requirements and your customized needs. Please no hesitate to contact us.